Onyx OR solution can stream 4K medical images seamlessly. However, of the 4K medical image, still need the surgical level display for showing the true color and also high resolution. So if so, Tony, would you mind to share all the features of our surgical display?
Yes, I would like to introduce our surgical display we call ACCEL M3202. So ACCEL M3202 is an 8 megapixel surgical display with the capacitive touch, with the optional AR coating, and also we support the capacitive touch function kit. For the mechanical part, this product has a better IP rating ratio, including from the front side and the back side, in order to fit in OR environment. So in order to provide the precise color for the doctor, so we choose the better color gamma panel, which can support the 99% of the DCI-P3, this standard.
So I know that normally the television at home, the percentage is about 72 to 75%, because color for surgical display definitely is key of the key. So you mean our monitor can reach not 70 something percent, that can reach 99% true color, right?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, because the doctor needs high color performance in order to ensure the diagnosis is correct.
Understood.
So we also implement the HDR technology. That is the next generation of the color clarity of the realism in the image and video. This is ideal for the media to not require high contrast and the mixed light and the shadow. For next part, we talk about the DICOM Part 14 compliant. Our unit has complied with this standard. This standard can ensure all the X-ray image to have the same quality in the different medical monitor. So in order to offer a better viewing experience, so our unit can support the high brightness up to the 1000 nits and the wide viewing angle that allow the user to see the clear image in the different angle and in the very bright environment such as OR. So for the brightness stabilization, we integrate the backlight sensor. So this backlight sensor can continuously monitor the brightness and the luminous output and maintain a desired output level that can provide the user a stable and a consistent image. So we also implement ambient light sensor. So if our display move from a lighting environment condition to another, our unit can adjust the brightness automatically and according to the ambient environment.
So Tony, you mean we have two sensors in our display?
Yeah.
This is inside the monitor.
Yeah.
This is on the maybe top of the monitor. And the purpose of this, the first one, the inside sensor, is because when the display has been used for like years,
yes,
the brightness will shrink a little bit.
Yeah.
But our display can detect the brightness of display by itself. So when our display notice that my brightness shrink a little bit, and it will increase the brightness by itself back to the normal level. Is it correct?
Yeah, exactly. It is what the purpose of our backlight sensor integration. Yeah.
Oh. And this is a light sensor on the top. Why this is so important? Because during the surgery, we know that there are several like a super big lamp of light on the top. So when the doctors turn on all the lights, and the brightness of display may not enough, but our display can sense the environment light. If it's needed, our display will increase the brightness by itself. Yeah. So the doctors can see all the images clearly.
Yes. So for next part is we integrate the internal PSU inside our unit. So that allows the system integrator to install our unit easily in the OR. They don't need to find a position for the adapter, external adapter. Yeah. Also, we have some mechanical design for the laptop design, so that can ensure our monitor can have the consistent and the stable connection during the surgery.
So you mean because normally the display in the OR room is mounted with some arm, and so usually the display will probably be put from this location to another location.
Yes.
Yeah, from here to there.
Yeah.
So mechanical design for securing the connection definitely is the key. Yeah, especially important for surgical display.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Yes. And finally, our surgical display, we can have the 4 inputs at the same time, and with the different interface, including DisplayPort, HDMI, SDI, VGA, and DVI, and also PIP and PBP and POP and the flip mode and the rotate mode are available in order to increase the productivity in the OR. Yeah. So overall speaking, our surgical display provides a precise color, consistent imagery, and a dedicated design in the OR to meet your demand.